Armageddon, maybe? Strange noise is heard on the east coast of the UK. October 15, 2019. People who are haunted by a mysterious noise on the east coast of the UK talk about how constantly they hear and feel the dry vibration. Strange noise is heard on the east coast of the United Kingdom. Photo, Sci Photography. Although the cases vary, everyone agrees that it is a continuous buzz, which can sometimes be felt and is incredibly annoying. Nigel George, who lives in Pigfield, said, "Sounds like a low-frequency drone. It kind of disappears and comes back sometimes. It is more like vibrating air than sound." The 54-year-old went to social networks to see if anyone else was listening too, with dozens of people performing. Theories about the source of noise varied between the ship's engines and turbines or factory noise. He said, "From the comments on my topic, it's either boat engines at the docks, or machines on an industrial estate. It's not the wind turbines, as I know the people who work at the cable company Livingstone, nor are the planes. I used to sleep well, but not so much now. I tried earplugs but it makes no difference." Jess from Lowestoft is researching the cause of the sound. She agrees that it is a faint, dry hum that has absolutely no pattern and believes the sound has a scientific explanation. She said, "Research shows that the Earth is constantly vibrating. Of course the sound of this vibration is far below the limits of our hearing, but perhaps a recent change in frequency may be the cause of more and more people reporting tinnitus. But then again, it could definitely be a much simpler cause like wind turbines, factory noise or boats. In fact, I find it quite interesting and extremely annoying at the same time." Brad Pruden, who is also from Lowestoft, believes the sound can be paranormal. He said, "Call me crazy, but my prediction is that something is happening in this world that people are keeping silent so as not to cause panic in the world. The sound sounds more like a plane in the sky in one place and not moving or passing. It's not deafening, it's just annoying. I believe in weirder things that no one can understand, whether it's artificial weather manipulation or UFOs. But I promise you, there's something going on. They don't want us to panic." Maybe Armageddon?